I shared the process of what it looks like to get funded and get a payout with Tradeify, and I share a couple of their rules that I feel like will be beneficial to the trader that is trying to see if they want to go with Tradeify. I really like Tradeify. I think the payout process was really cool, very quick. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let's get into it. I got great news for you guys today. Prop Firm Match is the leading prop firm comparison platform on the internet. And they got live reviews, so you don't have to worry about being scammed. There's so many times where I've been scammed by these prop firms, bruh. You can actually customize what you're looking for in a challenge. So if you want to pass in one day, or if you want to get instant funding, if you even want to take your time with a prop firm and you like, I want to take a couple weeks, couple months to be able to do a prop firm match, will help you with that, bruh. Trust me, they only go with the real prop firms that are going to get you those big payouts. And if you know anything about the channel, you know that I'm trying to get funded $2 million and run up the bag. Prop Firm Match is going to help me be able to do that because they only mess with legit brokers. And they'll be able to help you, bro. So what are you waiting for, man? Come on. I had somebody in my comment section call me a fake trader, so I'm just posting this video just as proof. I am very funny about posting payouts because I noticed that people pocket watch, people try to impersonate you, all of that stuff. So I've just gotten weird over time posting payouts, but because this is my first payout with Tradeify, I wanted to document this video and just show it to my community and stuff like that. So I did this withdrawal before church and I screen recorded the whole thing. I wasn't able to pull my camera out, but we got 5 funded right here. So I have a whole bunch of videos about how I was able to pass 5 challenges at once, and I ended up passing 5 and meeting the requirement. So if you guys look right here, it shows that I qualified for $5,000. Now, I didn't know that you could actually be funded with 10 prop firm accounts with Tradeify. I just found that out literally on my call with my Discord community a few minutes ago. So what I did was I clicked all of them right there, as you guys can see, and we ended up hitting request payout. Now, because I have a Rise account already, because I've gotten payouts with other prop firms, everything was seamless. I was able to just jump right into it. All I had to do was just wait. So as soon as I did that, Tradeify sent me an email, and this is the email. They sent it on 5 different accounts. I went back, got approved for it, and I went through the process of getting the payout. So going through Rise is a very, very easy process. When you first go through it, you have to go through an identification process and all of that different stuff. But it's really convenient. It's really cool. It's really easy. I will say from my personal experience, the 3 quickest payouts that I've gotten is my Fund of Futures is number 1. They pay out so fast. The only thing that with them right now is you can't trade metals, and that's okay. And then Lucid. And then I would say right after that is Tradeify. So you have the Rise right here. They send me a verification code. I'm gonna kind of speed through some of this. And I had to go through the process and all of that. So we're going to fast forward through every single thing right here. Had to fill out all of the documentation and all the boring crap. A couple minutes later, I got a couple emails saying that my thing was ready to withdraw, and it was $4,500, which was really cool. And literally, I checked my bank in like 2 minutes and I was good to go. It was that quick. Tradeify is really cool. So even right here, it says, congratulations, if you check your payouts, go to payouts. If you click that, it just takes you to everything, and all of this got sent. So it's $4,500 because they take out 10%, which is crazy that prop firms do that because you're not trading the real market, but it is what it is. You got to play by their rules. The reason why I'm going the prop firm route right now instead of the personal account route is because I want to play with other people's money and not my own. I made an investment earlier this year in my own personal account and was able to withdraw a good amount, but I'm gonna go back to the prop firm route and kind of reset. I went on tilt earlier this year on the prop firms, which made me switch over to the personal account. But I think I'm starting to understand this market adjustment a lot better. So we're gonna try to run up the accounts. My goal is to get $2 million in funding and just fund my personal account. So just put a certain amount back into my personal account and stuff like that. So that's how we're looking right here. So this was at 53. All I have to do with the select daily is I just have to make $1,000 and I can withdraw again, which is crazy. So I think I could do that 5 times, and then they move you live. And then I believe there's no payout caps. I do need to check that. I'll let you guys know in the comment section, but I do need to check that. But I believe that when you get moved to live, there's no payout caps. So I have to just see what the rules are. I know with my Fund of Futures, when they were doing the live thing, I would blow the account on purpose and then get funded again, because I didn't want to move live because the live rules sucked. So I'm gonna, if they ever move me to live with Tradeify, I'll make another video about it and just kind of document that journey. But I got a lot of videos coming up, y'all, of some really cool stuff. My indicator is crushing it right now. This is the live market right now tonight, May 3rd. It's we missed a setup. Not we missed, but there was a setup. Yeah, it was missed on NQ. Literally almost tapped us in the market because we do limit orders with the indicator. So there's no such thing as lag if you're doing a limit order. So this trade, in my opinion, is now invalid, especially because there's a big old gap in the market right now coming out of this crap. So I believe that this gap wants to get filled. We'll see how it goes tomorrow. This video is going to be uploaded May 4th. So we'll see what happens. I'll let y'all know how we'll see. But yeah, I'm uploading this video for May 4th tomorrow, and we'll see how it goes. Guys, as I'm over here editing this video, I completely forgot to do a psychology portion of it. I just want to encourage you guys, please do not overtrade. Don't revenge trade. Stick to your plan. Allow the trade to come to you, because what happens when you allow yourself to do that, you will be able to start seeing profits from the market. A lot of times, a lot of traders are not profitable because they're trying to force setups. A lot of the time in our minds, we're thinking, if I can get funded quickly, if I can get a payout quickly, I can alleviate my debt. I can be able to pay this thing off. I can be able to get this house, get this car. But the thing is, if you allow yourself to be patient and really trust the process, you will make a lot more money doing that than rushing. And so I just wanted to leave that with you guys, because I noticed that a lot of people really struggle with the patience aspect of psychology. And when you can focus on that, and when you can do that, it'll be a humongous blessing to you. Do not forget to check out my free Discord. We have a free community. We do have a VIP, a paid section, where you can trade live with us 4 times a week. But sorry, 4 days throughout the week, 2 times a day. And my indicator and my course is on sale. So please consider getting all of that stuff. And I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.